Welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share some of our products from the new 2024 Annual Catalog. I can tell you that this catalog will create an experience for you like we've never had before. Today's products are from our product purchase premiere that we were allowed to participate in when attending the Onstage Houston event. So let me set this aside and I'll show you what I got in my box today. I wanted to start with my array of new in colors. This is always the first thing I like to look at in the annual catalog, and as always, Stampin' Up has done a great job of giving us a fresh color palette that's trendy and in style. We have our ink pads and cardstock, and of course our in color ribbons. The colors here are Peach Pie, Summer Splash, Petunia Pop, Shy Shamrock, and Pretty in Pink. Yes, you heard me correctly. If you hadn't already heard, Pretty in Pink has returned. This is one of my favorite colors from when I first started as a demonstrator. To add to our options for coloring, we have our Stampin' Write markers in the new style for the 2024 in colors, along with our stamping blends. So you have lots of choices when adding color to your project. And of course, with the ribbon, we also have some fun new embellishments. These are a matte dot, and these have a texture to them that just make them shine. And of course, everybody loves designer series paper. This paper has all 5 of the in color and comes in 4 different patterns, as you can see. I think there's a nice selection here of patterns that give us a lot of creativity to work with. In addition to our new in colors, we also have a new basic called Basic Beige. This color is a nice tone that will be neutral and great with all of our colors. It also has a coordinating ribbon along with the ink pad. There are no blends for this color. For one of our suites, we have the Unbounded Beauty Suite collection. I happen to choose the Unbounded Love for this, along with the Designer Series paper, the fun matte dots, and this beautiful glimmer paper. This paper comes in all 5 of the in colors and has a lovely feel to it. It's not the big chunky glitter that we've had in the past. The die set itself is filled with these beautiful images and lovely frames that are perfect for the sentiments. The Thoughtful Journey suite of products is the next thing I chose. It has this beautiful stamp set with some lovely images and sentiments, along with these dies that create even more images to add to your projects, along with those that cut out the stamp set. It's got this beautiful foil paper that has an ombre effect to it with the different colors, some pearls that are iridescent in 3 of the coordinating colors, and this breathtaking watercolor paper that Stampin' Up does so well. Let's see if I can share with you real quickly. And of course, just like always, Stampin' Up has given us both sides to work with. One's more neutral, the other is more scene geared, and just breathtaking color combinations. I myself love these watercolor looks and these scenes that are great for creating quick and easy cards without any stress. And here we've got the Spotlight of Nature and the dies that go with it. I just love the stamp set with its greenery, the sentiment, and its little butterfly. After all, who doesn't love butterflies? And the dies have got these beautiful cut pieces to them in texture. I've also got the Leaf Collection background stamp, which is a lot of fun, and I can't wait to try some new techniques with. One last Designer Series paper here, a 6x6, and this happens to be full of life. I just love the bright colors and fun watercolor look that it contains. These are bright and cheerful, bold colors, perfect to make a sunny card for somebody special. And of course, as always, the backs are more neutral and allow you to choose use them with the bold pattern size. The Loveliest Tree stamp set and dies is going to be wonderful to work with. This is a inexpensive bundle that allows you to create those cards that we always need, in addition to masculine cards and even technique cards. So I can't wait to play with this. Next, one of my favorites are ocean theme stamp sets and products that I can create beach type cards. The Seaside Wishes not only comes with a lovely little set of dies, but it's a hybrid embossing folder and die cut set when you purchase the bundle. This will allow you to cut out the shapes from the embossing folder itself and have texture, which is a lot of fun. I've got a standalone stamp set this time. It's called Simply Set and works with our lovely little kits and card packages so that you've got a variety of sentiments that you can build simple cards with quickly and easily. And this beautiful So Swirly embossing folder. Can you see how big it is? I couldn't resist this when I saw it because it reminded me of our coffee theme suite. And now I can create backgrounds that are embossed. We also have this gorgeous textured metallic paper in gold and copper. I hope you can see it's got a linen type pattern up to it. Speaking of paper, we've got this beautiful Country Woods Designer Series paper pack. This pack has got wonderful patterns on each side of different woods that can be used for all kinds of projects. The colors in this are just beautiful. And for masculine cards or nature-themed cards, like the loveliest tree, I think this pack of paper is going to be a lot of fun. It also has a coordinating paper called Country Lace for a more feminine look. This pack is filled with blues, grays, pinks, and our new beige that'll make creating those special projects quick and easy, and is a more feminine feel than the Country Woods. As you can see, each side of these papers has a different feel to them and texture, giving you lots of options. The last two things I wanted to share with you are these basic gray and smoky slate pearls, which I think will go lovely with this suite, along with a ribbon combo pack. This ribbon combo pack has the pretty in pink, along with a basic white, which is lovely for all kinds of projects and for adding customized ribbons to projects. It's got a lovely texture to it and ties beautifully. I hope you've enjoyed my walk through my product purchase premiere from the 2024 Annual Catalog. And of course, if you don't have a demonstrator and would like one of our annual catalogs, email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to mail you one. Thanks for joining me.